Distinguished colleagues, Minister responsible for the status of women in Alberta, Mayor of the City of Edmonton, committed women's grassroots, activists, youth, agents of change, men and boys, researchers, business community, and everyone who is present here today. It is really a privilege and a pleasure to be part of this important occasion as you announce the city's collaboration with UN Women's Safe City and Safe Public Space Global Flagship Initiative. Your work is about addressing an issue that affects women all over the world, the safety of women in public places. In many countries, women experience harassment, groping, and in the worst cases, even rape and even murder. By doing this work, you are making sure that we can generate best practice that can be shared with the 24 cities in the world that are part of this Safe Cities program. And these 24 cities include Winnipeg in Canada. As a city that has thought hard about how you bring about these changes, you will be helping lawmakers, you will be helping communities rethink about how we could make sure that the community, the city, works for both men and women. Because of violence against women in public spaces, many women miss out on educational opportunities, they miss out on economic activities, they miss out on social activities because they fear risking stepping out of their safe zone, because in some cases, the consequences of being in an unsafe place can create lasting negative impact and experience for the women. UN Women is proud to be your partner because together we have to build a safe world, a safe place for women at a community level, at provincial level, at national level, and at a global level. And today, you become part of that puzzle and you play a role in shaping a world that is envisaged in the Sustainable Development Goals. I thank you and I look forward to meeting you and to collaborating with you. Thank you.